Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing.
Hey friends, welcome to our channel DIY with Kanchan. So if you're new to our channel, do subscribe our channel and hit the ring bell for the future notifications. So happy Navratri to all, and in this tutorial we'll be making these Dandiya sticks. So without wasting time, let's make these Dandiya sticks. The things you need is Dandiya stick, different colors of wool, a fabric glue, some lace of your choice, now start sticking the ribbon on the Dandiya stick with the help of glue.
Make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight. Chemicals collide. Hold tight.
Now to decorate your Dandiya stick more, I will be taking 3 colors of wool: orange, pink and yellow. So on the base I will be sticking orange color of wool. So this is how you have to stick. Apply the glue all over the Dandiya stick and then slowly wrap it. And for the bottom and the top of the Dandiya stick, make this kind of circle and then stick it like this. So I will be taking a pink color of wool and then I will be taking yellow color of wool. So slowly start sticking like this. Now to make your Dandiya stick more beautiful, I am taking this peacock feather, or you can call it more ka pankh. And a special thanks to this peacock, he has given us peacock feathers. I will be taking this pom-pom hanging, and I will be taking this pink wool, cut the peacock feather, give it a shape.
The skies, all because of you. Dripping lights, paint the skies. Only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move.
Now let's tie the knot and our Dandiya stick is ready.
Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight.
Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope this video was useful, and if you're new to our channel, do subscribe our channel and watch my other videos as well. Till then, see you next time. Bye bye.